Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to film a memory plan with me from the week of 9th of March 2020 to the 15th of March. So I will be using this kit from Simply Watercolor Co. I got this kit on a distash grab bag, or just a grab bag that she was having, and it's a rose gold foiled kit. So you have the first page with your 9 full boxes, some checklists on the side. You have your weekend banner, you have some flags and labels, you have more checklists here, you have some quarter boxes, half boxes, you have some labels, weekly tracker, another weekly tracker with the checklist heart, some flags, habit tracker, one label, and on the other page you have the washi strips as well as your headers, some washi headers as well as some deco. To tie up this spread, I'm going to use this washi from Simply Gilded. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet, but this is the collection Rose All Day. I think that's what she called it. And this one is a nice pinkish color with Rose All Day written down throughout the washi with a little flower here. And this is the drinks washes, so in rose gold, and it has champagne cups and champagne bottles, as well as some little stars and hearts in there. So I'll see which one fits better when I put down the washi that comes with the kit. But that's about it. I'll be using some overlays from different shops on my full boxes, as well as icons from several shops. Everything will be linked down below if I use them. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And that's about it. Because this, because this is a vinyl paper, I think that's the name of this paper. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's the kind of paper. It's not my favorite paper, but as I said, it was this stash box. So because this is a vinyl, I need to write down with the micro perm or a permanent pen, and I got this micro perm from Simply Gilded subscription box, so that's what I have, that's what I'm gonna use. But any Sharpie tip, Sharpie kind of pen would work as well. So let's get started on this. I will talk to you guys in a minute. This video again with me whiting out the lines for the sidebar. I did just a tiny bit of it because the kit came with washi strips, so I can use that, so I don't need to white out everything. And I just lay down the washi and the washi that comes with the kit. I trim it down, and then I just use the Simply Gilded washi to tide up the spread. And I was debating between the white one or the pink one from the Rose All Day collection, and I think that the pink one was a better fit. After that, I just put down the full boxes as well as the headers that come with the kit, the washi strips that came with the kit. And I tend to use the quote full box if a kit comes with it on the Monday. And this kit came with like 3 full boxes with a quote, so that was really interesting to have to choose one of them. But yeah, and I also do the up and down kind of thing on my full boxes. I used to put them all in the middle, but then my planner got really bulky, so now I just vary where I place my full boxes. That doesn't mean that it's because it's a bigger day or a lesser bigger day. It's just a matter of functioning with when I close my planner is not so bulky. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if it did. But yeah, the full boxes are really, really nice. And as I mentioned at the end of the video, I thought it was going to be like too much rose gold, but I think the kit is just, it just came out the right amount of color, or the lack of color in some areas, and I think it came out really nice. I also put a quote on the Friday because I thought it would be it would be appropriate, because Fridays. And after putting down all of the full boxes, I moved back to put the some of the overlay stickers that I wanted to use. The kit is foiled, right? It's foiled in rose gold, but some of the boxes aren't foiled, and I just wanted to make use of my rose gold overlays. I don't use rose gold a lot, so I've used GP Sticker Studio. I've used Sadie stickers on the Thursday, and I think, don't remember who I used on the Saturday. So Tuesday is GP Sticker Studio. Sunday I used Little Miss Papery, and I think it was Rose Colored Days on the Saturday. And once that is down, I move to my usual layout. So have quarter box for Coffee Monday, and I'm using Papermuse Craft icons. So it's a sheet with a bunch of icons, and they have a bow on the side. I'm also using Panda Burn Design to mark down work, and I think that because I've used something a little bit darker, it tidied up the spread, so it broke down all of the rose gold. If I hadn't used that, if I had used a different script, I think it would have been very bland or too much. But I think that these scalloped icons from Panda Bird Design really tidied up the thread and made it more cohesive, if that makes any sense for you. So I put that from Monday to Friday, and then I go back to my Monday to set out my day. So when we move to Monday, I use, again, like I said, I use Papermuse Craft icons throughout the whole spread, and I used a shoe to mark down that I needed to go to a PO run. I then used the flag from the kit with a computer from Papermuse Craft to mark down that I needed to message some of the buyers for my D-stash. I also put down a little shopping bag because I had a Target delivery that day. I usually buy anything and everything online if I can. Moving on to Tuesday, I put down a half box with a half box from the kit to mark down that I had issues sleeping that day, but anyway. I've also used a Panda Bird Design scalloped little icon with a bow to mark down that I wanted to water my plants, and I used the reading or book icon from Papermuse Craft to mark that I wanted to catch up on my planners that day, as well as a quarter box or a label from the kit with a little house that I wanted to vacuum my carpet in my bedroom. Moving on to Wednesday, I put down a flag from the kit with an icon from Papermuse Craft to mark down that I did my manicure on that day, as well as the fact that I had fish for dinner. It's been a while since I had fish, so I wanted to mark that down. I also used a label from Sadie Stickers. It's a beautiful, beautiful label with an upload script from, I think it's Monique Designs. I can't remember the name of the shop. And another icon too with a little clock to mark down that I wanted to promote the content on my YouTube channel, as well as a little heart from Arctic Paper Studio to mark down that I wanted to do some self-care and do a face mask. Thursday, I put down a half box with a bow to say that I wanted to mark down that I shipped my US box with all of my goodies, an asterisk to remind myself that I wanted to water my plants, and a vacuum icon from Arctic Paper Studio that I wanted to clean my office, as well as the scalloped by Panda Bird Designs to mark that I needed to sleep early that day. On the Friday, I put down a long flag
to mark down a very important meeting I had that day, as well as a big checklist that day, because when I came to work, I was just full on clean the house. I don't know what happened, if I had too much coffee, but that day I've done pretty much all of the chores in the house, and I was so happy. Saturday I put down a 2-day header from the kit and a sleep-in script by Samantha May Designs, as well as, and again, a Sadie sticker half box and a Papermuse Craft icon that I cooked myself breakfast, which is really rare that I do. Then another cleaning day script by, I think it was Panda Bird Designs, to mark down a few other things that I needed to finish doing in the house, like fold my clothes and etc. And then a little icon from Papermuse Craft with a TV to mark down that I wanted to watch Frozen. I still need to watch Frozen too, by the way. Sunday, another header from the kit and the reminder of that checklist that I needed to edit my flip through, which is on my channel if you want, do some research and finish some spreadsheets for work, a half box to take Instagram pictures, and do some groceries, as well as pre-plan next week. And I used the little heart from Arctic Paper Studio, which is an Australian shop that does foiled icons. So that's pretty much for all of the base of my kit, and then I just wrote down everything. So that's it.
And that's it for today, everyone. This is the base of my week past, and I like it. It looks good. We'll see after I fill it up with my handwriting how it looks, and we'll see how it goes. I'll get back with you shortly. Alright everyone, that is everything written down. I think this spread looks actually quite pretty, feminine, and very, very sublime. I don't know if that's the word I'm looking for, but I like it. I think that it's, at first I was a little bit afraid that it would be too much, like too much rose gold everywhere. But I think that with these scalloped boxes from Panda Bird Design, it broke the rose gold a little bit, so it didn't clash with the theme, but it also toned it down, if that makes any sense. I think it looks quite amazing. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really good, and the second half also looks really good. If I could change a few things, I would definitely change the overlay tape here. I think that's a little bit too much. It doesn't match very well, but all in all, I think this looks really nice. I have to finish writing down a few things that I'm a little bit tired, so I skipped them for some reason. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I think it looks really, really nice, even though I'm not a fan of having a long to-do list on my weekly. I was very proud of all of the things I accomplished on the Friday afternoon when I got home from work. I don't know what got into me, but I just put on some music on, and I've done so much from 6 p.m. on until 10. It was amazing. So I had to put it there just as a reminder that I've done that. I was very productive. That being said, I really think that I've done very well with this spread. I was afraid of using it first, but hey, happy days. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm wishing you a lovely week ahead, and that you stay safe, that you stay kind as well with others. You never know what everyone else is going through. Wash your hands due to all of the viruses and stuff. Hope you find some toilet paper, because I cannot find any. But in all seriousness, just stay safe, take care of yourself, and let's hope for something very good very soon. Better news very soon. Anyway, that's it for me. That's it from me today, and I hope you guys have a great one ahead. Love you, Lottles. Bye.